Education Minister Lakmin Rimboy told the Assembly today that there are a total of 36 lower primary schools in the state without teachers. While replying to the question raised by TMC MLA from Rangsakona Zenith M. Sangma, Rimboy informed that the reason these schools are teacherless is either due to retirement transfers or resignation of incumbent teachers. The TMC MLA from Rangsakona, however, questioned what alternative steps are taken to ensure schooling and education for children in these villages continues. According to Sangma, it is a concern on the future of the children and youth if it is not taken care of. In his reply, Rimboy stated that in most of the villages, the children are attending alternative schools. The Education Minister added that whereby these schools are, they have approached for rationalization to post the teachers so that students attend.
Already on the road that I can
There are as many as 36 government LP schools where there is not even a single teacher. It's a question of the future of our children, the future of our youths. And if this foundation of the education of our children is not taken care of, we'll be ending up with by having lots of problem, and it will be overburden to all of us in future.
This teacherless school happened due to retirement or transfer or resignation of the incumbent teachers. We have approved for rationalization to post the teacher where so that the student could go to that schools.
Chief Minister Conrad